This is a special moment for General Motors as we reimagine the future of personal transportation for the next 5 years and beyond, leveraging technology to create a consistent GM brand promise. The Vertical Takeoff and Landing Drone, or VTOL, is GM's first foray into aerial mobility. We are preparing for a world where advances in electric and autonomous technology make personal air travel possible. It is a concept designed for the moment when time is of essence and convenience is everything. You've been at the office and now you need to get to a meeting across town. The VTOL meets you on the roof and drops you at the vertiport closest to your destination. It uses a 90 kilowatt-hour EV motor to power 4 rotors, as well as air-to-air and air-to-ground communications. As a passenger, it represents personal space and a panoramic view of the world passing beneath you, and is a glimpse of what autonomy and Cadillac luxury might look like in the not-too-distant future. We have other concepts coming, including a luxurious 2-seater designed for you and someone very special, to decompress, relax and enjoy a multi-sensory experience choreographed for more intimate journeys. Each concept reflecting the needs and wants of the passengers at a particular moment in time, and GM's vision of the future of transportation.